Nigerian TV.
My people, we don't come back again with our ogbonge latest breaking news. When it be say the popular Instagram celebrity, when they know as Bobrisky, it don't turn to man. Though some of you fit don see him for internet, but we want just the hit him the way as they hot. So Bobrisky go his father's birthday party. So fear not let am wear woman clothes go, cause we know say him get nyash, him get back and front. So what go happen? What go make him change to man? Although we all know say na man before, but for Instagram in a woman and for ground in a woman as well. And as it can change to man, so people call them wonder where Bobrisky Bobby, where Bobrisky Bakasi. I beg my people. What did they happen? I be the guy they play us because we hear say he don't go do surgery, put Bobby for front, and he doesn't go do surgery, put Bakasi for back, and they flaunt am for Instagram. So Muna leave una comment. Mukui also hear wetin una think. Muna watch the video for more again. So maybe this guy they fear his parents then or the area boys because he don't know what will happen. Because he know say now against the law to dress as a woman or I don't want to make sure anything to dress as a woman. So he could try to raise when I know observe the video, he could try to raise the clothes. Because he don't want make all those Bobby, fake Bobby when he do for inside, made the thing show. And he don't say people will see snapper, will see recorder. Because if they try to make sure say this thing not enter internet, yet the TC bust. People
Nigerian TV.